Good morning, I'm Brad Paddock, an intern architect and journeyman carpenter, speaking to you today from one of my favorite hardwood suppliers in Eastern Canada. Welcome to FESTOOL in the Field. I recently purchased our third thickness planer, a 400mm vintage model in excellent condition. We use one in the shop, and now we will have two available for remote use on job sites. My task this morning is the selection of a hardwood to be used as a mobile base for the 252-pound unit. And combined with this, I will be testing the ro90 DX as part of FESTOOL's Sand, Finish and Pass campaign. For the construction of the base, I'm favoring European beech for its inherent structural and working properties. Plus, it takes a finish easily. We subscribe to best practices of forestry stewardship, and in doing so, we make every effort to estimate required board feet as accurately as possible with finished dimension. And so within our work, we are accountable to the use of sustainable resources. The design of the base and section adopts a laminated beam condition that measures 3.5 inches or 90mm in width and 4 inches or 110mm in height. This dimension facilitates the requirements for the mounting of the cast iron frame of the planer and the installation of 4 heavy-duty casters to make the unit mobile. A 6-year engagement in the modernist architecture school has changed the way I design. The DF has irreversibly changed the way we build. The concealed domino aids in the expression of contemporary connection with efficiency and unconditional accuracy. A case in point, within the box frame of the planer base, we were able to position 4 dominoes per intersect to optimize a robust condition completely invisible to the eye. Everything fits, first time. Straight out of the box, I used the coarse sanding or Rotex mode to remove some residual glue from the laminations and found the driving idea behind the D handle. An abundance of torque translates to the process of material removal with expediency. A small amount of glue was removed quickly with 2 hands on the housing as required. For fine sanding as I'm doing here, control is intuitively transferred to the hand, and the finished result is exemplary. Mode changes are this simple. Abrasive changes, just line it up and stick. Simple operation to swap out the circular base for the delta base. All it involves is making the selection on the control, turning, pulling out, turning, and connecting. What I like about the delta base is the control it offers on an inside corner, such as this condition on the planer base. I can get in there easily, and I can get in there with maximum control just to touch up that inside corner if I want to. Let me show you. Green indicates a protocol change, so changing the delta base is simple, where we just push and turn. The simple line of the base called for minimal profiling to a geometric form. The OF1010 was selected to run a micro radius to the edge condition. Excellent control in small areas. It takes its name from the diameter of the sanding disc, which is 90mm. In this application on the planer base, I had a condition where I'm about 88, 89mm across here, or 3.5 inches imperially. What I found with this is that the diameter of the base was perfectly matched to maximizing surface area, but also eliminating rollover. I wanted to protect this eased edge that had been put on with the OF1010. And I wanted to run center line on here. This is our latest planer on the completed mobile stand. Approximately 30 years of age, it has been reconditioned to factory specification, including new feed rollers, bearings, knives, and slow feed rate gearing. A European model, it has a 400mm or 16-inch wide cast iron deck and will accept up to 20 centimeters or 8 inches in material. It was purchased from the estate of a German cabinet maker who lived on the Great Lakes. The original metric scale is still in place. The planers share real estate in our mobile shop with FESTOOL, advancing our ambition of creating finished work of the highest order in the field. Just to say that for this project, it was an excellent choice. Its size, its versatility, it has an agileness that I can grab this tool a number of ways, and it still works well. It seems that in some ways, although that's a handle, I find this is a handle, and depending on where you need to go, it's nice to have that versatility with the tool that you can adapt it to the project. Things that have a single purpose in our line of work aren't as valuable on the job as things that can go many places and do many things. This is one of those tools. Among the FESTOOL suite of sanders, it's an excellent choice to have.